In this video, I'll detail how to fix not getting notifications on Snapchat. So if you're a Snapchat addict and you discover that your Snapchat is not coming to your iPhone, then here I'm going to show you how to start getting Snapchat notifications on iPhone. So if you're new to this video, you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to fix not getting notifications on Snapchat on iPhone, all you just need to do is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down and click on Snapchat. If you're using iOS 17.5 or 6 or earlier model, and then tap Snapchat. For iOS 18 or later, tap Apps, and then scroll down until you get to Snapchat and click on it. Then once you click on it, locate notifications. You can see I have my Snapchat notification turned off. To start getting notifications from Snapchat, you just need to click on Notifications and tap Allow Notifications. Then once you tap Allow Notifications, and just come here and show how you want to receive your Snapchat notifications on your iPhone. Is it on lock screen, notification center, or banner? So for security reasons, I'll prefer you disable lock screen, but if you want it to come onto your lock screen, just turn on lock screen on notification center. Notification center means when you swipe down like this, you should see your Snapchat notifications and on banner. Then after that, to customize your Snapchat notifications on your iPhone, just scroll down. Just scroll down and click on Snapchat notification settings. Once you click on that, you'll be taken to your Snapchat app on your iPhone straight. Then here, you want to turn on all the notifications you want to receive on your Snapchat. So if you want to receive notifications for comments, turn this on. If you want to receive notifications for maps, turn this on. If you want to receive Snapchat notifications for creative effects, turn this on. To receive notifications on Snapchat for your friend's birthday, enable this. So just scroll through and turn on the notifications you want to receive from Snapchat. So once all these are enabled, not receiving notifications on Snapchat on iPhone will be fixed. So if you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.